Presenting the Rolex GMT-Master II. This gold and steel two-tone watch is not as flashy as a full gold Rolex and was very well met at its release at Baselworld 2018. Due to its historic connection with a previous GMT Master from Rolex which carries a similar color scheme, this watch was quick to adopt the same nickname, the root beer. The 2018 Rolex GMT-Master II reference 126711 CHNR is certainly not your ordinary monochrome Rolex watch. The watch is made of Rolesor, the combination of gold and steel. However, rather than the more common combination of yellow gold and steel, this watch uses Everose gold, which is Rolex's name for rose gold. What is most noticeable about this watch is, of course, the bicolor bezel, which is colored half in brown and the other half in black. Rolex did a great job of creating unity in this watch. The Everose two-tone matches perfectly with the brown and black bicolored bezel. The watch features a bidirectional rotating bezel made with a ceramic insert. The numerals on the bezel are painted in the same color as the Everose gold on the case and bracelet, which matches perfectly. To further build on the theme of brown and rose gold, the GMT Master print on the dial has been made in a matching color. What is really interesting is that Rolex has decided not to make all the dial printing in gilt as the original root beer has. The Rolex root beer is equipped with the caliber 32/85. This movement features Rolex's chronogy escapement, which has an improved geometry over the traditional Swiss lever, offering better efficiency. The power reserve gets a bump to 70 hours, over the 48-hour power reserve of its predecessor, the caliber 3186. The movement also has a parachrome balance spring, a niobium alloy spiral that offers better protection than standard Novarex-type balance springs against magnetism. The Rolex 126711 root beer features the maxi case. On paper, this case is 40 mm, just like the previous generation, and the original root beer GMT. However, they appear completely different as this watch has a maxi case which makes for great wrist presence. The bracelet is an oyster bracelet made in two-tone, with the middle links made in rose gold. The clasp features an easy link system but not the glide lock clasp that a lot of people have come to love. But still, the Easy Link adjustment system gives you 5 mm of leeway to quickly adjust the fit. The Rolex 126711 CHNR root beer is not in any way identical to the original Rolex root beer. The case is different, the dial color is different, and the bezel color is different. However, what is a small nod to the iconic and almost legendary model is the use of Everose gold, combined with the brown Dutch. Rolex is a company that does not make heritage models or reissues, at least not officially, and therefore, a small nod to what has previously been, is more Rolex's style. Everyone knows that Rolex makes this as a nod to the root beer, but no one explicitly says so.